Okay, we've played around with Tor and the Tor button. Now let's try and turn Tor into a relay, which is pretty cool. So now other people's traffic will flow through us and continue to be anonymous and encrypted. So we go to setup relaying, and it's as easy as clicking on this radio button, relay traffic for the Tor network. So we give ourselves a name. We can mirror the relay directory 9030. So these are the two ports that are important to us right now. And what we're going to need to do is, because this is a virtual machine and we're behind a router doing NAT, we're going to need to open up a couple ports on our firewall and do some port forwarding to this particular virtual machine. So we've got to remember these ports, 443 and 9030. Push OK. Find out what IP address we have. And there you see it, 254.7. So now we've got to go to our router. So we're logged into our router, and we can choose a protocol. Remember, we had 443 as 1, and we're going to send it to .7. And there's the rule. Port 443 is redirected to our virtual machine. And let's do one more for the directory server. And we're done with the port forwarding. So if we go back to our relay, we should set bandwidth limits. We don't want to choke our network, especially if we have some family or friends using the same network. I'm going to go to custom here, and I'm only going to give the Tor network 50 kilobytes per second, which is still something. We could also create an exit policy if we wanted to. You know, what services are they allowed to use through us? Anyway, we're done there. So let's look at the message log, a little advanced. And since we did the port forwarding, you'll see that there's a self-test. And the onion router port is reachable. That was port 443. And now I'm being published to the network. So at this point, once I'm on this network here, once I'm in the Tor network, other Tor users should be able to use my particular computer as an onion router, as a relay within their creating a circuit for them.